Welcome to today's daily devotion. Hi, Pastor Rex Johnson here. Today, our title is In the Furnace in the book of Isaiah, in chapter 64 and verse 8, and it says, "Yet you, Lord, are our Father, and we are the clay, and you are the potter, and we are all the work of your hands." Now, I want us to look and focus just a moment about being the clay and being the potter. You know, God is the potter, and here we are, we're the clay, and it's describing how He molds us, how He makes us and shapes us in life. But there's another process of all of that as well, is when the clay, whenever they mold the clay, and then they put it, they have to bring it to its strength and to bring it to the spot in life to where it can be completed and finished. They have to put it in the furnace. And when in that furnace is when all the impurities is burned out, and it's heated up, and it's taken out all the things that help hold it together until it got to that process of whenever the clay now becomes hard. And now it's got its strength, and now it can last. And that's kind of where me and you are in life. I know a lot of times we have some difficult situations, difficult circumstances, but in God's hands, you know, He works all that out. And it's sort of like whenever we're in those spots in life, then those things is burning out like that clay is in the furnace. And then when we come out the other side, man, we're strong. We have been through a troubled situation, but look what it made us when we come out the other side. Look who we are now. You know what? Man, in the furnace is whenever we are really building and deepening ourselves and coming strong in the Lord Jesus Christ. Hope this gives you the word of encouragement that you need today. God bless you. We love you. We'll see you again soon.